Hi everyone, I hope you are fit and well. Happy New Year. I hope your 2022 was epic and your 2023 is shaping up nicely with lots of cool and exciting things. As you know, I don't sit still for long, and before Christmas I posted about a charity event that we were planning called Ride for Education Africa. That is now getting very real, and I have teamed up with Scott from Split Lip Adventures, a friend and colleague, and the amazing charity Made with Hope, and a team at Bugali Bamboo Bikes in Uganda. The challenge is to assemble those bikes, so the bamboo frames will be built and we'll assemble them in Uganda, and then we're going to ride across Tanzania, a self-supported ride of about 1,000 miles or so, and we're going to go around the south coast of Lake Victoria through the Serengeti National Park, where we hope not to get eaten or trampled by any of the big five out there, and to a place called Arusha. Arusha is where the Made with Hope charity do some amazing work improving the education facilities for children, teachers and families in and around that area. So we appreciate it's a challenging time in terms of finances for a lot of people. However, we would massively appreciate any small contributions that you can make, and obviously small contributions do add up to something big and amazing. Also, if you work for a company that has a charity budget, then we can also accept and would invite conversations around corporate sponsorship. So maybe your company hasn't allocated their charity budget yet, and what they can do is they can contribute to something game-changing like a rainwater harvesting system, or contribute to some of the bigger projects like building toilet blocks and things like that, so these kids can stay at school longer, more often. Social media is really powerful, so please follow our story, like and share with anyone who you think will be interested. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next update, and as always, stay strong, keep moving.